Hi, we're going to talk about what f of x can be in this problem that's given above. So we're going to need to use integration by parts, which has a formula, which is the original integral, which has some function called u, which is a function of x, and dv, which is also a function of x. So if we look at this, it looks like they have chosen u to be the first term, the f of x, that's this piece, that's u, and then this, the cosine x dx, that will be our v. So this is our dv, right? Because we have u, and then we have dv. So f of x is our u, cosine of x dx is our dv. Now, we're going to need du, which is the derivative of f and then we're going to put the dx over here. And we're going to need v, which we're going to get by integrating each of these. So that means that v is, well, the integral of cosine is sine. And you could do plus c, but that all gets kind of taken out in the wash. Anyway, now let's put it into this formula. We need u to come first, and we figured out that u was right here, f of x, times, then we need v, which we figured out here is sine x, then just filling in the formula, we have a minus sign, and then we need the integral of v, which again is here. It's the sine of x times du, which we haven't used yet. It is right here. So in place of this du, we're going to put the derivative of f dx. Now, if you look at the original problem, it's written differently. It just has the order changed. So it has f of x that's this, times the sine of x, that's this, and then minus, you still have the integral, they just have switched the order. So they're putting f prime of x first, then the sine of x, that's this, then the sine of x dx. So the thing that we need to solve is right here in front of us. This has to be this 6x. So if the derivative of f, if f prime is 6x, then we get that f of x is just the integral of that. And that gives us 6 times x squared over 2 which means that f of x could be 3x squared. It could also be 3x squared plus a constant, but this is the simplest of the possible answers. Thank you.